Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful videos, very good charmings and good stunning videos of this video. It's all about the crochet baby girls frocks. Crochet baby girls frocks are also most attractive videos, most charming videos design. And different things, different designs, different perfecting and good looking videos are also sharing good things of baby girls frocks. Baby girls frocks are usually carry these designs, carry these charmings and good fantastic and fabulous videos we have to share with you. I have shared with newest videos and different things, different designs and different videos of baby girls frocks are easily carry these designs, carry these fantastic videos and different things of designs of baby girls frocks are also sharing good things, good looking, good charming, good fabulous videos I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful videos, very charming and very fabulous videos. You will be ideas, you will be sharing good things, good many members and different things, different designs, different perfective videos. Hope everyone like so attractive videos, like so elegant videos and different things, designs, different good charming videos. I have also shared good more elegant videos and different designs of baby girls frocks are easily carry these designs, carry these amazing and perfectly designed. You will be ideas, you will be sharing these designs. So I request all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. Always be there, always be good charming, good stunning and most attractive, most fabulous videos and different types of design, different good looking, good stunning and different things, different designs, so elegant, so gorgeous, just looking like a fantastic videos. We will meet again in the next video. So may Allah Almighty keep you all happy, keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this, amen, like this amazing and fantastic videos. Take care yourself, take care newest videos, and thanks for watching. Thanks once again. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful videos, very good charmings and good stunning videos of this video. It's all about the